Totalkare's heavy duty 4-post lift is ideal for commercial vehicle workshops that are lifting heavy duty vehicles such as buses, coaches, trucks or waste and recycling vehicles. It's a fixed installation, meaning that you'd have a designated bay for the lift, and there is the option to have a galvanised lift, which is suitable for outdoor use or even wash bays. Yeah, so you've got a couple of different platform lengths that range between 7 to 18 metres and everything in between. Lifting capacity wise, they start at 8 tonne and go right the way up to 33 tonne. These can either be set up as a 4-post lift or a 6-post lift. You've got the option to either have it as a drive-on lift where you then reverse off, or you can have it as a drive-through option. It's an electromechanical lift with a self-alignment safety system, meaning that when it's on its way up, you'll see it self-levelling. It's got a mechanical locking system so that once you get to a desired height, you can lower it onto the locks for added safety. And again, it's made for the customer's requirements, so the different lengths and different weights are tailored to each person. So the 4-post lift can either be surface mounted or recessed into the floor for a flush drive on. We will come out and do a free site survey ahead of the finalisation just to check the specification and to sign off on the ground. We do also offer a full service repair and maintenance package, and so we've got Totalkare engineers up and down the country that'll be able to service and repair your lifts. So we've always got people available to talk on the phone or video chat. We can also set up a site survey if needed, so we can have a face-to-face meeting. Just give the office a call and we'll take it from there. Alternatively, you can look on our website. We've got lots of brochures and spec sheets available to look at.